Okay guys, so there it is in situ. I've just turned it towards the camera a bit. Obviously you do get a manual, so have a look for it. Obviously I've used air fryers before, so it's going to be obvious. You press the start button. You've got two trays, so you select whichever one you want. I'd say tray 1. For my very first thing, I'm just going to cook some chicken wings up. So essentially you can pre-select what you want, so you might press the chicken. If you want to scroll through these, you can literally just scroll through doing that. Now if the temperature is not what you want, you can just raise it up, which is what I'm going to do. So let's put it up to 200. And if the time isn't what you want, you can also do that. So I also need it a bit more than that, so I'm going to do it for 20 minutes. And then you just go to the play, hit the play, and that's it guys. If you want to see your cooking once it's in, I've not put it in yet, you've got a like button.